I'm so glad I chose to film this video. This is amazing. I'm gonna go make another batch. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited. I'm gonna be sharing a super simple sort of snack treat idea that is actually not bad for you at all. It's a great healthy alternative and it literally is so simple to make. You need 3 ingredients. I'm gonna be making what I guess people have been calling healthy Snickers. I've seen these everywhere. I tried them out a while ago and I loved them. So I really wanted to show you guys on this channel because I thought it was perfect and I thought you guys would love this recipe. I'm doing this vlog style so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing and how to make these bad boys. The only ingredients you're gonna need are some dates. I like getting my dates pre-pitted because it makes the job a lot easier. You're gonna need your favorite type of peanut butter. I chose really thick, creamy peanut butter. If you want crunchy for a little bit of extra bite, by all means do that. Just use your favorite brand. Any peanut butter, or honestly nut butter will work as well. And last but not least, I have a sweet tooth, so this is my favorite part. I have some semi-sweet, good quality dark chocolate chips here. You can use milk all the way to dark chocolate. I like these because it's a perfect like in-between of sweet, but has a little bit of sort of a bitterness, which I absolutely love, especially for this recipe. So I've got all my ingredients right here. I'm gonna start off by melting my dark chocolate. You can do this on a double boiler. I'm just gonna microwave it because it's really simple. Just do it in little increments and take it out and stir so you don't burn the chocolate. So I'm gonna pop this in. I will be back when this is perfectly creamy and smooth. Okay, so while my chocolate is melting, I just cut out a little square of parchment paper and I'm gonna lay that on my little plate. This is just so that the chocolate doesn't like stick to the plate when they solidify and you can take them off really easily. All right, you guys, my chocolate is smooth. There are no lumps. It's very simple. We're gonna do it sort of like an assembly line. So you're gonna take one of your dates. I grabbed this little knife here. You can use a butter knife, you can use your fingers, you can use a spoon, and I'm just going to open it up. So I'm making it kind of flat. So by opening it up like that, no pit inside, this makes it super easy. I'm gonna take a little spoon and grab a little bit of my peanut butter. You don't wanna go crazy with this so it doesn't fall out. I'm just gonna spoon some of the peanut butter into my date, push it in there, close it up a little bit, almost like a little hot dog. And I'm gonna put it on my plate. So I'm gonna do these to probably like 10 of them or so, and then we're gonna move on to the last step. So I've got all my little dates filled with the peanut butter, just like that. And now comes the fun part, which is dipping them in chocolate. But there are a few ways you can do this. If you want to keep it a little bit more healthy, feel free to just sort of drizzle on the chocolate like this. But what I like to do, and what I think looks the best and ends up working the best, I'm going to take one of my little guys right here, and I'm gonna dunk it halfway into the chocolate, like that. You see how only half the date is coated? And I'm just gonna set it on my parchment paper. I'm gonna do that with the rest of them, and then I will come back and show you what they look like. So you guys are able to see the peanut butter is sticky and it sort of keeps the dates together, and the chocolate sort of encompasses the whole thing and keeps it all together in one little bite. Okay, so I've got my little plate of dates here. Make as many as you like. Now the last step is optional, but I like to add a little bit of flaky salt on top to sort of balance out all the sweetness going on. I've got this really pretty French gray sea salt. This is totally unnecessary and over the top. You can use literally kosher salt. Just like that, to take them to the next level. Okay, so I'm gonna pop this bad guy into the freezer because I want these to finish off really quickly so that I can finish the video. But you can pop these in the fridge and just let them harden and set if you don't want them super cold. Or you can keep in the freezer and then just have almost like, it's not exactly ice cream, but it's a fun, cooling, refreshing like summer treat. So I will be back when these are all set and I will show you what they look like. We're back, baby. Okay, here we go. I just let them sit in the freezer for 30 minutes or so just because I really want to show you guys. Look, I don't know if you guys can see. I'm trying not to let the thing fall off, but they have solidified. The chocolate is now solid. They lift off super easy because I have the parchment on there. All right, I have to eat one. It's gorgeous and sunny outside and this just seems like the perfect summer snack. So I'm gonna taste one. Whoever came up with this, mwah. Thank you, thank you. Peanut butter and chocolate, you can't go wrong. But the dates are really chewy. So you get almost like a caramely texture. It doesn't require any cooking. You don't need knives. You literally can never have stepped a foot in the kitchen before and still be able to make this. It is one of those staples that I will be making all summer for sure. You can make a big batch of them. I'm gonna go give these to my sister. She's gonna love me. Lex, can I come in? It's a healthy Snickers. Right? Aren't those so good? It scratches the itch, but it's not bad for you. You can't eat them all. I'll make more later. Thank you for being in my video. You can go back to doing what you're doing. If you can't tell, I love these. You guys are going to as well. I really hope you enjoyed this video. It's not really a recipe, but I will put all the ingredients down below so you guys can make these and like the instructions so you can follow along at home. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. It's at Cook with Amber. I'll put it on the screen right here. And give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you can see more easy, fun, delicious recipes just like this one. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all next week. Bye guys. Mwah!